Things, everybody, it's your boy here, Prince Tech. First thing you want to do is go to your Launchpad and type in screenshot. First thing that should pop up is screenshot. Click that real quick. Now you're going to jump to record entire screen. Click that button, then you click anywhere on your screen. After that, after 2 seconds, you will know it's recording. Usually it does a countdown, but after 2 seconds or 5 seconds, you should know it's recording. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to play with it a little bit and see what's going on. Probably hit one more. There we go. Now I'm going to go to the top, all the way to the top of my menu bar and hit pause recording or stop recording. Then I'll immediately go right to my saved video on the bottom right. Click that, drag it up, and as you can see, it's the video. So I'm going to go to the right, click add to photos. That downloads it to my photo application. I'm going to run straight to my photos application real quick, open it up. I think it should be the first or the second video, but it should be your most recent video. So I believe this one's at the last one. So I'm gonna click that real quick, play it for you to make sure it works. And there we go. That is exactly what I just did. It's very simple. Screen recording on your Mac. It takes about a couple seconds. And if you also need any more tips or tricks, let us know in the comments below. Take care.